Okay, this drawing we're going to do is called the guide bar. You can see the final drawing. We're going to establish these 3 points right away with these center lines, and then we're going to draw our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles, and then add our center marks, and we'll go from there. So we're going to start new. We're going to go to File, Open, and we're looking for the guide bar. We're going to go into the Z drive, Share drive, Engineering and Design, Free Engineering, Mr. Molinari, and we're going to go to Drawing Packet 1, and again, we are looking for the guide bar. There's the guide bar. Once again, it's going to give you some instructions. It says make sure you change the TL scale. It's actually called the LT scale. Okay, we're going to change that real quick. That's a mistake. We're going to change that to 0.35. So down here at the bottom, LT scale, type that in and change it to 0.35. Hit enter. You'll see that that's going to change the spacing of our dash lines as we begin our drawing. We're going to turn the tip layer off, and we're going to start by establishing these 3 points. Okay, so this one right here is 2 3/4 away, 2.5 away by using the offset command. Okay, so we're going to just draw a line for right now, a red line with the red layer on, and I'm going to draw it straight down like this with ortho on. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes from the midpoint here, and I'm just going to pull it over randomly. It doesn't matter how far you go. All right, I'm going to use the offset command to establish the next 2 center points. Offset, looking at the drawing, the first one is 2 3/4 inches. I'm going to grab this, move it over, and I've got one more that's going to be 2.5 inches away. I'm going to enter to repeat the command, 2 1/2 inch. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to move it over at 2.5 inches. Okay, it's time for my circles. These are all the circles. Just as a reminder, in diameter, so I need a 2-inch, a 2-inch one, a 4-inch diameter. We're going to need a 1-inch diameter and a 4-inch diameter. All right, we'll start over here. We're going to use the diameter. First off, I'm going to take my layer, put it back to 0, and I'm going to start with a 2-inch diameter. And I'm going to do another circle, shift right click from the intersection, and I'm going to make this a 4-inch diameter. Of the inner circles are 1 inch, and I'm going to make this a 1-inch diameter, and I'm going to repeat that, and I'm going to make another one a 1-inch diameter from here. And it looks like we have a mistake, so this is supposed to be a diameter of 1. I can change that there, and then I need another 4-inch diameter from the corner, and I've established my circles. The next thing I'm going to do is just draw my lines. I'm going from here to here. You can establish these, and then we're going to do our trim command. You want to get to this point right here. We're going to go back to where it says trim, and we're going to trim all of this out. We're going to trim all of this out. We're going to trim that out, and basically our drawing is done. We're going to delete all of our lines. We're going to go back and add our center marks. Underneath annotate, center mark, we're going to use the big circle, and we're going to use the big circle there. Okay, I'm going to make sure my snap and grid are off, and I'm going to take that, make the center mark there. These all should have been on the red center mark layer, so I'm going to change these back to center mark, and I didn't catch this one either, and I'm going to turn that to the center as well. I'm going to save this into the use this folder, and I'll go back to my Z drive, my drive, and we'll turn this into the use this folder and save it as guide bar and my initials. Save. That's it.